Hey, good morning, guys. I'm on my way to the dealer right now to get my T-78 recall finally fixed. That's the shift recall for the truck supposedly slipping out of park gear. And I haven't had any problems with mine per se, but I have noticed for a very long time, before they even came out with the recall, when I put my truck in reverse, I always back into the driveway and I put it in reverse. And sometimes I got to jiggle it around and play with it a little bit. All the yellow lights all the way across from park, reverse, drive, all that will come on. And I got to kind of jiggle it around and get it to go into reverse. I don't know if that's related or not. I haven't had any issues with it actually literally slipping out of park. So, hey, we'll see how that works out. And I'm on my way to the dealer. We'll see what they got to say about it. They're going to fix it. And I got an appointment at 10 o'clock. It's 9:43, so I got to get out of my pawpaw mode here and move along. So we'll get back to you in a little bit and see what they got to say. Hey, what's happening, Brian?
How are you?
All right, I'm doing fine. I left the keys right here. That's for the, what, T-78?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna wait on it, right?
Yeah, I'm going to wait on it.
Okay.
So, everything's cool. I'll be in the waiting room.
Very good.
Tell them to take care of it. I think more of this truck than I do my wife. But she's not around here. That's why I'm saying that. You know how shit goes. Okay, so here's actually I think that's my second notice on the T-79 recall. If you look at that arrow there, it's pointing to really the guts of the recall, which mentions that they're going to inspect it, possibly do some changing of parts if necessary, and also do some reprogramming. So let's watch them and see exactly what they do. So he's pulling into the shop right now. Basically this is pretty boring, so I'm not going to put you through this. All he really does is turns the ignition on and off, gets out of the truck, gets in the truck, gets out of the truck, blah blah blah. And he doesn't do any parts changing that I can see. And supposedly they did a flash or something. I don't know. We'll look at the report in the end and see what they did, but let's just go ahead and zoom on ahead and get this over with, because there's really nothing going on here but some, looks like, testing. Alright, here comes my truck now. I'm watching you, dude. I'm watching you real close. Yep, back it up. I'm watching you like a hawk. This is the closest thing you'll ever get to valet parking, I guarantee you that. Okay, so there's the final report. Ticket, no charge. Of course, it was a recall. T-79, I keep saying T-78. Sorry about that. Really, all they did was do some programming and some testing, and I don't see anything else that was done. After driving the truck for a few days, I don't see any difference at all in the way it, goes into reverse versus before, and park. Everything else works fine. So we just call it good. All right, guys. T-78 completed. Didn't take long at all. It takes more time for the damn road tests and paperwork and all that shit. This guy's gonna run into me. No. Let's see if I can notice any difference in my shift. Yeah, it does feel more positive. Well, it's hard to say. Anyway, appreciate you watching my video, and click like if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Adios.